Mad Jack Churchill, the sword-wielding warrior of World War II. Host. Welcome, listeners, to another thrilling episode of Unsung Heroes of History. I'm your host, your name, and today we're diving into the extraordinary life of a man who seems to have leapt straight out of a Hollywood action movie. But hold on to your hats, folks, because this story is 100% true. Let me introduce you to Lieutenant Colonel John Malcolm Thorpe Fleming Churchill, better known as Fighting Jack Churchill or Mad Jack. Born on September 16, 1906, Jack Churchill was no ordinary